I was playing basketball on a blacktop, and there was this one guy that I hadn't seen in like 10 years, and like he made a fair point. He's like, I wish like this time of day would last longer, like where the sun's about to set, but you can still see everything around you. And I agree with him.
It's very poetic and true. I like it.
And then I just drained a 3-pointer on him and won the game.
Hello, interwebs, and welcome back. I'm Shanna, and this is where I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. Now, in this vlog, we go on the hunt for Dr. Yellow. Who? What is Dr. Yellow, you ask? Well, stay tuned, and you'll find out. Let's go. So I'm going on an adventure with the boys today. I'm meeting them in Shinohara, and we are going to see Dr. Yellow. And I'm going to try and get Steven to explain what Dr. Yellow is, because I think he would do a lovely job.
Bye.
Alright, Steven, since we have a lovely view here, why don't you explain to our friends at home what we're doing and what we're going to see.
So today we are looking for Dr. Yellow, Shanna. Dr. Yellow is a yellow Shinkansen. That is a safety inspection train.
Oh.
And it only comes by twice a month from Tokyo to Fukuoka and back again. Today we will be witnessing it coming back from Fukuoka towards Tokyo. The estimated time of arrival is between 4:30 and 5:10. We're not sure exactly when. My sources told me that it will be passing Hikone around 4:50. The approximate speed, I think it should be reaching around southern Shiga around 4:55. So in the meantime, we're going to be waiting for it. And we're going to document it when it comes. We'll enjoy it. And the most important piece of information is that Dr. Yellow is lucky.
I like how you just paused after lucky. You're like, lucky. Shinkansen.
And cut, Shanna, cut.
Cut? Okay.
Look at infrastructure. I'm really into that.
You're into that infrastructure?
I mean, just think about like even like 40 years ago, that just wasn't there, and it changed the whole way everyone around here lives.
I mean, you're right.
It's fucking cool.
And
therefore,
right.
Dr. Yellow is an important role in all of this.
Oh, yeah?
Getting the people of Japan from left to right, from east to west, north to south, northeast to southwest.
Well, I don't think the trouble right now is with the track necessarily, as much as like the materials used to create the Shinkansen. You heard about that drama, right?
No. There's a little mountain over there. We could go there.
We could go there.
I got Pringles with me.
I've got Pringles too. Which ones did you bring? I got the jalapeno. Oh my god, we can mix them together. Jalapeno sour cream. Yes.
Where did you get your jalapeno ones?
The convenience stores.
They don't have jalapeno
ones. The 7-Eleven convenience has them.
Mine don't have those.
Oh my god, yours is not.
My family mart has them. I don't have a family mart.
Oh my god.
In my house. Well, I do actually.
We should mix the sour cream with the jalapeno.
You can just stack them on top of each other.
Yes. Let's do it. Look at that. That's beautiful.
What do you think about the vantage point of where we need to be? That's the city sign.
Scenic panorama.
Yes.
I think we should climb up one of these poles and watch from the top of the pole.
I'm also.
I figured you would be.
You go first.
You're down for adventure. I think same time. Let's do the same time.
You go to that one, I'll go to that one.
Okay, 2 different poles. Perfect.
But you go first because you're already at this one.
Alright, I got it.
And then call me when you get there.
It's fine. I'll call you from the top of the pole. Oh, look, you can see the moon. I don't know if you can see the moon on my camera, though.
I think you see the moon from up there. You can't see it from down here.
No, you can see it from down here. It's right there. Invent a black Shinkansen.
A black Shinkansen. We should make a black Shinkansen. Okay, well, not. It's 2018, so I can't say black Shinkansen or whatever, but like. But a different colored Shinkansen. A colored Shinkansen that like tests the durability of Shinkansens, like with the weakest, cheapest materials to see how far it goes or whatever.
Yeah, but who would want to ride on that? Nobody.
Well, no, you just have like one guy in like a spacesuit or whatever.
Yeah, but who wants to be that guy? Shinkansen! Ooh. Oh, there's 2! Did you see that? Look at that!
We're so sneaky. Look, we're in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. We gotta kill.
Luke has joined us. Look at you all bundled up.
Yeah, you need to be
You're adorable.
Oh.
You're adorable.
thing is, I think we should get out of this like wind tunnel until it gets closer to 5. What time is it? What time is it, Shanna's computer?
4:24.
We missed 4:20. Let's get out of there.
Jalapeno sour cream. Should we write Pringles and tell them?
Yeah, dude.
Can I have a
Yeah.
sour cream, please? Let's see. Test. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There really is something about that. No, like your taste buds are getting direct hit from the bottom.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you eat toast upside down.
Oh my god, this is everything.
Here comes a white Shinkansen.
On your bottom.
Jalapenos on your fucking bottom.
On your bottom?
No, on your bottom. On your bottom.
But no, wow. This is fucking... You guys have been playing Skyrim all day, so I know how to get through dungeons.
Is that what we're doing?
I was playing... Yeah. You kind of gotta just...
I'm hanging out with these nerds. I feel like I'm watching some weird mating dance. Next thing you know, you and Luke are gonna start pecking each other like birds.
Because when I went back to Chicago, Illinois, I was playing basketball on the blacktop.
Why do you pronounce the S in Illinois?
Because it's funny.
I was like, have I been saying it wrong this whole time?
No. I was playing basketball on the blacktop, and there was this one guy that I hadn't seen in like 10 years, and like he made a fair point. He's like, I wish like this time of day would last longer, like where the sun's about to set, but you can still see everything around. And I agree with him.
It's very poetic and true. I like it.
And then I just drained a 3-pointer on him and won the game.
Dunked him.
And then the sun just went down and I went back. I slept easy that night.
Oh, there it is! Oh! Is it?
Oh, go.
What is it? That's it!
Wait, that is.
Wait. It is! It's yellow! Now we've all got good luck!
See you next month.
How do you feel?
I love it every time. What a rush.
How do you feel, Luke?
Cold.
You don't feel lucky?
Yeah, I do. But I'm always lucky.
Well, that was about like 10 seconds of
all-
joy.
That's all it takes.
I'm ready. I'm ready to take on the world. Where are we going now? Yay! There you go. There you go.
I go shout out to my boy Thomas Hiccup for giving me the connections once again. No, thank you very much and peace, love, all praise to the Most High. Allah.
With his mouth full of Pringles. What?
I have a question.
42.
Where do the spiders go in the winter?
I don't know.
Where do the turtles go in the winter? Where do the frogs go in the winter? Where does Shanna go in the winter?
Hiking.
But where do the turtles go?
I don't know. I'm not a turtle.
They all
Bears
die.
just lay eggs and get reborn in them.
Knock on it. Knock on it. Now knock on the brown one. It sounds
Which one,
different.
this one?
No, the brown one.
This one?
The brown one.
I shouldn't have colorblind. Which one? This one? Follow your camera. This one?
Yeah. Yes.
This is dead.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I like this one. Look. They have a display, so that way if you don't know what to do, you can learn. That's
In the middle of
nice.
Shinohara, you think most people living here would know what to do. It's like significant across the whole country.
What does it mean?
I don't know. I think it took me like 2 weeks of.
Stephen, we have the same sense of
Just
adventure.
like a few like steps up. With these 3 trees. Japan's all about the aesthetics. Gawa, 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 gawa.
It might be people's names, yeah. Maybe people who donated to the shrine or something. And that pretty much wraps it up for this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't yet, please also hit the subscribe button. And let me know down in the comments below, what is something that is lucky to see or come across where you live? Let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!